Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch down to prevent damage. This also releases internal tension. Once done, remove the band so you can access the case edges. Make sure you work on a soft, stable surface and keep tiny screws in a tray. Use ESD-safe tools to avoid static discharge. Begin by unsnapping any protective covers and locating the visible screws. This first step gives you clear access to the case seams and sets you up for the delicate middle steps. You now remove the external screws methodically, keeping track of each position because reassembly depends on it. Next, insert a thin pry pick into the seam and rotate gently. Work around the perimeter to avoid bending the bezel. Once the bezel lifts slightly, lift the display assembly enough to access internal connectors. Carefully disconnect the battery connector first to prevent accidental shorts. Take photos as you progress so you remember cable routing and screw lengths. This prevents you place the new case components into position and reconnect the display cable, then the battery connector. Sequencing matters because some connectors sit under others. Once connected, power the watch on briefly to confirm the screen and touch function work before you fully tighten screws. If everything is good, torque screws evenly and reattach the band. If the watch won't power or shows artifacts, make sure connectors are fully seated, check for debris, and verify screw order. Misplaced screws can damage internal components.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.